Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a simple yet useful feature of the Messenger app, unhiding a group chat on your PC. With the latest update, our guide will help you effortlessly bring your archived groups back into view. So, if you've ever found yourself wondering how to access that group you forgot about, stick around as we walk you through each step. First things first, open your Messenger app on your PC. Whether you're using it through your browser or the desktop application, make sure you are logged into your account where the group chat was initially created. Once you're in, take a look at the left side menu of your screen. There, you'll find various options, but what you're looking for is the archive chat icon. This icon looks like a small box or drawer, usually accompanied by the term archived. Click on that icon, and it'll take you to a space where all your archived chats are stored, including any groups you might have hidden away. Now that you're in the archive sections, it's time to find the group you want to unhide. Scroll through the list of conversations until you locate the specific group chat you wish to bring back to your active chats. This may take a moment, especially if you have archived multiple groups over time, but don't worry, it's all part of the process. Once you find the group chat, click on it. You will see the message history for that group, and here's where the unarchiving magic happens. Look towards the top of the chat window for a small three-dot menu. Click on those three dots, and a drop-down menu will appear. Among the options, you will see one that says Unarchive. Click on this option, and just like that, your group chat is back in action. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully unhid a group chat on Messenger. Now that your group is back among your active conversations, you can continue chatting with your friends or colleagues without missing a beat. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks about your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.